Welcome again everyone in Vedika's tutorial. So today we are going to talk about Roman numeral system. Okay, so what is Roman numeral system? The numbers which we use in our daily life, that is the counting numbers or natural numbers, are called as Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, in our ancient time, people used different ways to represent the numbers. Okay, but one of the most famous and most used number system is Roman number system. In this number system, there is a very speciality of this number system. What is that speciality? Its speciality is it contains only 7 alphabets, and that 7 alphabets can help you to write any of the mathematical numbers. So let's see what are those magical alphabets. The alphabets are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. It's V. Okay. So these are the 7 alphabets. Now every alphabets, how you will able to know that V means what or L means what. So every alphabets contains an specific value. And what is the value? So the value is I simplifies for 1, V for 5, okay, X is for 10, likewise L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. Okay, so these are the values of the given alphabets. Okay, so you have to learn only the 7 alphabets and the values. Now how we can write a number? There are very easy method, but one very important thing is that there are few rules before going to learn that how to write the numbers in Roman numeral system. There are few rules which I need to introduce with you. Okay, so what are the rules? The rules are, kindly listen to this: V, L and D. Okay, the numbers which I have circled, V, L and D, are having some special case. Okay, and rest I, X, C, M. I, X, C, M are free. Okay, are free for what? They are free that they can be written 3 times together. Okay, they can be written 3 times together. Like children, suppose I need to write 1. So I need to write 1. For this I will write, this is its Roman system. Now suppose I need to write 2. How would I like to write? I will write it like this. Okay, and in case of 3 I will write it like this. So I have repeated the given symbol, okay, up to 3 times. Okay, up to 3 times. Usually this symbol is written as this. Okay, we don't use this, but in both style we can write. So 1, 2, 3, up to 3 times we can repeat. In the same way, X for 10 we write X. Likewise for 20 we write X 2 times, and for 30 we write it like this. Okay, so I, X, C and M can be written 3 times together. But what about VLD? VLD cannot even repeat it twice. Okay, we cannot even repeat it twice. So VLD cannot be repeated. Okay, so there are 2 cases we have talked about, that the 4 alphabets can be written up to 3 times, not more than 3 times, and VLD, the second point is VLD cannot be repeated. Okay. Now the third very important thing is that when we need to write a number, okay, except the given numbers, the number which is written to the left needs to be smaller. Okay, that means that number has been subtracted, and the number which is written to the right of the given symbols, that number means they are added. Okay, so in this case also VLD are not allowed to write to the left side. See how? Suppose I have to write the number 15. Okay, suppose that I have to write the number 15. But starting from 4, suppose that I have to write 4. So how I will write 4? What I say, that the number written to the left side means it is subtracted. So 4 means 5 minus 1. So first we will write 5 and to the left minus 1. So this is 4. 4 is written as this, and the number which is written to the right side is added. Like suppose I have to write 6. So I will write 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 6. So this is the difference between the given symbol. Okay. Likewise, in the case of 15, if I have to write 15, 15 means 10 plus 5. So can I write it like this? 10, okay, 10 plus 5. So 5 is V. So I have to write 5 here only. Okay, 10 plus 5. This is 15. But I cannot write it like V then X. This means minus. So 10 minus 5, for 5 we cannot use Vx. Okay, V, L, D are not allowed to write to the left of the alphabet, to the left of the number. Okay, so in this way we can write any of the numerals. So let's see some big numbers, how to write it. Okay, let's talk about the number 73. Suppose I have to write a number 73. So for 73 I need to write 70, that is 50 plus 20. So 50 is for L, 50, then 60, 70, okay, then 3. 1, 2, 3. L, X, X, I. This is our 73. Okay, this is our 73. Like if I have to write 92. 92. So 92 means what? We cannot write it for 90. We cannot write like L is for 50 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not 90. Why? Because X can be repeated up to only 3 times. So for 80 it is good. But for 90 what we have to do? We have to write 100 minus 10. That is 90. Okay, 100 minus 10. The number which is written to the left means minus. So 100 minus 10. This is 90 and we need 92. So we add 2 here. Okay, so this is 92. In the same way we can write any of the numbers. Okay, any of the number in Roman numeral by using only 7 letters. Okay. So Roman numeral is so easy topic, so small topic, but still so many get confused how to write the numbers. So hope this video will help you out to write the letters, to write the numbers in Roman numeral system. So request, please like and subscribe my channel if you are watching my video for the first time for new updates and notification. Thank you.